So hey guys, now listen, this is about finding properties or investment and development opportunities where you can mix the strategies up. You don't have to just focus on one strategy. You can have your egg in lots of little different baskets. So this particular site that we're looking at, we're going to do a mixture of hold strategy and sell strategy. So that's two. But then we'll do a differentiation. So we are going to do a mixture of different strategies on this site. So we're going to do some buy strategy and we're going to do some hold strategy.
They're the same thing. Freehold, leasehold, buy, sale.
So we are going to do some freehold, leasehold, so lots of different strategies on this particular deal. But not only that, we're going to have some that we're building for like family dwellings that we're looking to sell. We're going to have a mixture of flats, we're going to have a mixture of studios. We are potentially looking at doing a little commercial unit as well, because technically with the size of this land that we're going to develop, we're going to create like a community. So we need to add some convenience in there. There is literally just behind us a massive development going on, 7,000 units. How many of you would love to have that kind of portfolio building for yourself? So a mixture of sell, a mixture of holding strategy to differentiate, because here we're going to do a different type of strategy in how we buy it at the same time. So we'll do a separate video on that, but mix up the strategies. You don't just have to have a buy and sell. You could switch up your strategies. We've done many different properties where we've bought them thinking that we're going to sell them on the back end, and then we've ended up switching it to a hold strategy based on the due diligence that we were doing in the area at the time. So make sure that you subscribe to the YouTube channel, getting all your notifications, new content, new videos coming every day. I've been Trisha Harvey, and use a mixture of strategies to create the most out of your deals.